guys, just a quick bit before this video starts. Pay attention to the end of the video, because the end of the video is not actually the end. I have one more clip to continue on to show that the LED lights in the vehicle do work. That way you can see it for yourself, because I made a couple errors. One, I put the bulb in right, but the wire connections wasn't lined up with the actual connectors in the plug, so I pulled it out, flipped it around, plugged it back in, and bam, it works. So stick to the end of the video so you can see what the LED lights look like on the 96 Thunderbird. And thank you for watching, and keep your cars running. Welcome to another video by Stan's Auto Repair. Today we're on a 96 Ford Thunderbird LX. This is the 4.6 liter, but pretty much the same car. It maybe came with a few different features in it, but other than that, pretty much the same. The 96 is pretty much the same also. We're doing the back brake lights. I have some red LED. I'm not for sure if these will fit, but we're about to find out. Surprisingly enough, I needed rear brake lights, not brake lights, rear backup lights. All I had was lights to my Dodge Neon, and lo and behold, they fit and they worked. So that was quite surprising. But there's a little bit difference here. On the back, there's this little like spring clip that you need to get off. So you can get a little pair of needle nose pliers and you can take it off. That's what you need to remove. And then you can pull your bulb. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to compare the two, and by looking at them, they both look the same. Now the numbers are going to be different only because this is a LED. So it clips in, and just to let you know, this bulb came out of my 2000 Dodge Neon, which does not run, as I've stated before, no engine. Oh, I'm putting that in backwards. So then you want to take the clip. No, that's backwards. That's why it wouldn't go in. Okay. Rookie mistake. Alright. And then on the back here, there we go, got that side. Now for this side. Okay. Now we're going to find out if it works. One second, fellas and ladies. Keys might help. I'm going ahead and pull this light out of here. I can't tell if it worked or not because I can't see it, but I will definitely be able to tell when I play back the video. But that's how you change the bulb on a 96. I'm not for sure if the LED will work. I'm not even for sure if the LEDs will work on this car anyways. But thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. I got contact information down in the description. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And always remember, if it's broke, fix it. Alright, fellas. This is a continuation of the video because I actually put the LED bulb backwards, and now I can show you the LED bulbs that were in my 2000 Dodge Neon work in my 1996 Ford Thunderbird. Fathom that. And I'll show you here. These are my reverse lights. These also came donated out of the Hummingbird. You know, so now you know, if you have a Thunderbird and you have a Neon, you have spare bulbs, there you go. Now I am equipped with LED bulbs, and they are much brighter. That's exactly what I was looking for, because these bad boys were dim. Now they're much brighter. Alright, y'all, thanks for subscribing, and if you haven't, please do. Alrighty, as I said just previously, if it's broke, fix it.